Is it a... Okay, get to pick another card.
No.
No, it's not a match, so we have to flip it back over.
No.
Is it a match? Show Mommy.
That's aliens.
It's a match.
That's
Okay,
a
so put it
match.
with your matches. Okay, now you try again. Flip 2 cards over.
Pick is Jessie.
It's Jessie. Okay, flip another card over.
Pick another card for Mommy.
For Mommy. It's a match.
Find my cards.
Are you going to put them with your matches now?
Yeah.
You want to try to find another match?
Yeah. You're doing, Mom.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay, now you flip one over. It's Buzz.
No, your Buzz. My
Oh.
buddy.
It's not a match.
No.
Gotta flip them back over.
My Buzz. No, not a match. Not a match, Mommy.
Who's on that card?
Woody.
Alright, flip it back over.
That's Buzz. That's Buzz.